As residents of the eastern U.S. brace for the full impact of Hurricane Sandy, the buzz online has reached a fever pitch, with more than 1 million mentions of the massive storm over the past week. From the western U.S. to as far away as Indonesia, netizens are using the hashtag to express concern, swap stories, and share pictures like this one from Amon, who writes, "Hurricane Sandy approaching New York." His photo has been retweeted more than 600 times. Much of the storm-related online traffic has been to weather.com, the site for the U.S. Weather Channel, which is reported to have received 960 million page views in just 3 days. Web users are also flocking to this site, a Google crisis map showing the storm's current position, locations of emergency shelters, and links to YouTube videos. Many of those videos are being uploaded by citizen journalists like this one from Tim Pool, who's live streaming the storm from New York. Well, the hurricane has already left behind a trail of deadly destruction in the Caribbean, and bloggers there are sharing their stories. This photo is taken from a Facebook page set up in support of the storm's victims in Haiti. Others documented the damage on Twitter. Jacqueline writes, "Unfortunately, a common theme, cars stuck in the water in Haiti." Similar scenes are circulating online from Cuba. Storify user Mark collected a series of tweets and images showing the destruction in Santiago in the wake of the storm. We'll continue to track the storm and its aftermath, so stay in touch. Send us pictures and videos using hashtag AJStream. Lisa?